Okay, let's start with this interesting lesson today. And feel free to like and subscribe if you think this content is useful. The simple present tense, we have two sentences here. Our first sentence, Larry works in a hospital and I cook dinner every evening. Uh, we say that we use the simple present to express facts and routines. Okay, we express facts, something that is generally true about someone or something. This is a fact. And a routine is something we do regularly. Something we do regularly. If I think about facts about myself, I would say, oh, Mike is a teacher. That's a fact about me. Mike works in a school. That's another fact about me. If I think about routine, I would say I exercise every Saturday. I exercise every Saturday, which means that's a routine of mine. Or I wake up at 6 every day. I wake up at 6. So we mainly use the simple present, remember that, to express facts and routines. Let's continue. Well, something very important to remember when using the present tense is that most verbs take s or es when we use he, she, it, or a singular noun. Okay, a singular noun can be a proper noun like Paul, Jenny, Mary, or it could be a thing, book, or let's say laptop, etc. Okay, so let's illustrate that with a couple of examples. I work, I work, I go. However, when I use he or she, in this case, she works, I need to put an S. And let's see, for he goes, I need to have ES. Let's have a couple more of examples on that. Let's see here. Our first example, the artist paints the wall. The artist paints the wall. So as you can see, I have S because the artist is a singular noun. If we continue, when I have the artist now in plural, check here that the artist is not one, it's more than one. It could be two, three, four artists. They paint. So we only add s when the subject is singular. The walls. Next, we have another example. It takes me 30 minutes to get to work or to get here. It takes me 30 minutes to get here. He plays video games every day. He plays video games every day. Okay, so remember we need to add s or es for those pronouns or a singular noun. Let's see now, when do we add s or es? Okay, so we're talking here about putting s or es to the verbs in third person, he, she, or it, or singular noun. But a good question would be, Mike, how do I know which verbs can I put s and which verbs can I put es? Okay, let's go ahead and explain that. Let's say verbs ending in ch, sh, x, s, or ss, o will take es instead of s. All right, so the only thing you need to remember here is that you find if you see a verb ending in ch, sh, x, s, or os, instead of s, you go ahead and add es. Example: you wash, he wash. But here I have to put es instead. He washes. Let's see more. Let's illustrate that. He washes. Let's see more examples. I catch the metro every day at 6 a.m. But Julia catches the metro at 7 a.m. All right, I see here I catch, but Julia catches the metro. Next, I do my homework every evening. He does his homework in the morning. Okay, so I do, he does. I do, he does. Let's see a couple of expressions that we use when talking about routines and facts. We have every day, every evening. Example: I wake up at 6 every day. I go to bed at 11 every evening. All right, those are parts of my routines. Or you can also have every week, in the morning, or very important here, you can also have the adverbs of frequency. The adverbs of frequency, this is actually another lesson, but I just mentioned it here, that we also use always, sometimes, never, generally, when talking about routines in simple present. Okay, we're almost getting to the end here. Okay, remember this is an interactive lesson, and now it's your turn to practice. Here, I give you Diane's profile, okay? She is a teacher, and this is part of her routine. You have to write 3 sentences about Diane's routine using the simple present. So, 3 sentences about Diane's routine using the simple present. I'm going to give you 1 minute for you to do that. Write down below in the comments. Okay? Tick tock, tick tock. 1 minute. Okay, time is up. I'm really excited to read your sentences in the comments down below. My friends, this is the end of this video, and remember, today we talked about the simple present, and we said it is used to express facts and routines. Facts and routines. Feel free to like and subscribe to this channel if you like this content. And remember, we have more videos like this coming up. For example, how to ask questions and how to form negative sentences using the simple present. So stay tuned, and till the next one.